Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. It is a program used to input and analyze different data sets using specific formulas available to the user. Anytime you open Microsoft Excel, you're creating a new document called a workbook. The workbook itself is composed of different sheets that may contain different types of information and is displayed in an interface composed of 5 different parts. The first of these is the title bar. The title bar specifies the name of the workbook you're working on. It also allows the user easy access to customizable commands through the Quick Access toolbar, without having to search through other menus. The second part of the Excel interface is the ribbon. Originally introduced in Office 2007, it displays all available menus as a set of tabs. Each tab presents sections that allow for easy access to basic and frequently used commands. It is also completely customizable and may be collapsed when analyzing data. The File tab gives the user access to the workbook's backstage, a panel that displays information about the current document, and allows the user the ability to save, open, create, or view other workbooks. The Home tab has formatting and editing options for the cells, text, and tables of each sheet. The Insert tab has options for inputting different elements into the sheets of the workbook. The Page Layout tab allows the user control over the properties affecting the presentation of each sheet. The Formulas tab contains a functions library to use with the datasets of each sheet. The Data tab and Review tab have options for further data formatting and error proofing. And the View tab presents the user with options to further customize the page layout and presentation of various workbooks. Each of these tabs also allows access to advanced options for each of its sections. By clicking the arrow located at the lower right-hand corner, a window with advanced options of the selected section will open. The third part of the Excel interface is the name box and formula bar. The name box displays the name of the selected cell, the range of cells being selected, as well as the name of a defined cell or cell range. The formula bar displays any information that the user has input into a single selected cell, be it words, symbols, or formulas. It also allows for quick access to the functions library by clicking the small functions icon. The fourth part of the Excel interface is the spreadsheet or sheet itself. Each spreadsheet is a set of columns named with sets of letters and rows named with numbers. Each cell acts as an individually customizable input space into which any information may be written. At the bottom of the workbook, the sheet being edited, as well as any that has been created, is shown in a tabulated menu. The name and color of each of these tabs may be customized. The fifth and last section of the Excel interface is the status bar. This displays a customizable array of document properties. Now that we know the setup of Excel's interface, let's input text into the spreadsheet. To input text, select a cell by clicking on it. Once selected, you may start typing text directly into the cell or into the formula bar. When you select any random cell or cell range, a thick border or shadow appears with a small square at the bottom right-hand corner. This square may be clicked and held in order to drag the selected cell and copy its information into adjacent cells. It may also be used to copy formats and formulas without the hassle of rewriting or resetting them. You may also continue sequences of numbers, names, and dates. When selecting multiple cells, you may click, hold, and drag until the specific range is selected. You may also click on the first cell, press and hold the Shift key, and click on the last cell. For cells that are not adjacent, click each one holding down the Control or Command key. You may add or delete entire rows or columns from the workbook by right-clicking on the axis and selecting Insert or Delete. or by selecting the Insert button at the right of the Home tab. You may also add or delete individual cells. To do so, select the cell or range needed. Right-click on the selection and choose Add or Delete. A small window will appear prompting you to select how to alter the already existing cells. This may also be done by clicking on the arrow of the Insert or Delete buttons.